Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the 10 drum knot. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have this at my left side. I'm going to come over. I'm going to put a fold in here, or a dimple. I'm going to come around. Going to do a cylinder. I'm not really counting how many times I go around. So, I don't know, you don't have to either. So here we go. I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to bring it around there like this. Now this I will count. I'll bring this over once. And then we'll bring this over. So we got that over it, kind of make it look like that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around here like this. And I'm going to come down through this one right here. And then I'm going to put this little piece here in this one over here. Let me put my collar down here, and then there we have it. We might have to adjust it a little bit. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. There we have it, the 10 drum. Oh no, sorry my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.